In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an AI chatbot to your Wix website. This process will enable you to engage with your website visitors more effectively, providing them with instant responses and enhancing their overall experience. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Wix website editor. This is your central hub for making customizations to your site. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the option labeled Add Apps. This feature is designed to expand the functionality of your site by introducing new tools and capabilities. Clicking on Add Apps will open up a world of possibilities, from enhancing user interaction to improving site functionality. Now that you're in the app market, it's time to find the AI chat feature that will transform your site's interaction capabilities. In the search bar, type in Wix AI Chat. This search will lead you directly to the app you need, saving you time and ensuring you're focusing on the right tool for your needs. The AI Chat app is specifically designed with Wix websites in mind, making the integration process smooth and seamless. Once you've found the Wix AI Site Chat, click on it. This action will provide you with more details about the app, including its features and how it can benefit your site and visitors. It's important to familiarize yourself with these specifics to fully grasp how the AI chatbot will operate and elevate the experience for your visitors. The next step is to add this AI chatbot to your site. You should see an option that says Add to Site. Clicking this will initiate the integration process. This step is crucial as it deploys the AI chatbot onto your website, allowing it to begin assisting visitors immediately. The integration process is designed to be user-friendly, focusing on ease of use no matter your level of technical expertise. As you follow these simple steps, remember that the AI chatbot is a tool to engage more effectively with your audience. It offers them quick answers, guides them through your site's resources, and provides a personalized experience that could turn a casual visitor into a loyal customer. The power of an AI chatbot lies in its ability to be available 24/7, ready to assist each visitor, making your website more interactive and approachable. By adding an AI chatbot to your Wix website, you're leveraging technology to improve user interaction and satisfaction. Not only does this enhance your site's functionality, but it also reflects a forward-thinking approach to web management. With just a few clicks, you can take your website engagement to the next level, making each visitor's experience memorable and positive. So give it a try and start reaping the benefits of an AI-powered site chat today.